Hello everyone, it's me Chubby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix unable to save and replace the file after editing in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. Say I have one file here on my desktop screen, so let me try to open it. So now it has some text or sentences inside this file. So let me try to edit it. So I've added some text here, right? And now let me click on this file and let me click on this save. And let me select the same file which I have edited right now, and let me click on the save, click on yes. Now you can see here it's showing that this file is set to read only. Try again with a different file name. So I'm unable to save and replace the same file after editing. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is just right mouse click on the respective file and click on this properties. And now you will see here one option written read only. So if this option is enabled, then you won't be able to save and replace the file after editing. So in order to fix that issue, you need to untick it or disable it, and after that just click on apply, click on OK. Now let us try to reopen it and let us try to add some text here. So now let us try to save and replace it again. So now it's not showing error. So now let us reopen it. And so you can see here, I'm able to save and replace the file after editing. So by using this method, you can easily fix unable to save and replace the file after editing in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.